You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this member of the Korean group K-pop Stray Kids. If you want to learn how to pronounce the other member names, stay tuned. Korean pronunciation, Lee No. Lee No. In English, it's usually pronounced more as Lee No. How to pronounce Lee No, English pronunciation, or Korean pronunciation, Lee No. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.